Hello, and this is Ray. I want to welcome you back to the $1 Million Funnel Training. This is video 4, and in this video, we're going to do one thing. We're going to add a simple, smart pop-up that will help your funnel capture more leads without turning your site into a circus. So by now, you should have these 3 pages. You should have this page right here, which is the landing page. You should have your thank you page, and you should have your downsell page all installed on your WordPress site. If you don't have those assets installed and you want to follow along with this video series, the link to this video series is in the description below. Go back and watch these first 3 videos before you watch this one if you want to follow along. Because I built this funnel so that you don't have to. I intended this to be plug and play, and all you have to do is provide traffic, which we will cover in this series as well. So now, if you haven't already, you need to download this Google Doc, which is also in the link in the description below. And we're going to upload the free pop-up JSON files. Now, I hope you remember how to do this. You just click on this, you click on that, and you're going to get these files here, and just go here to download, and then you download them in whatever folder that you want to, okay? And once you have them downloaded, here's the zip file right here. All you do is you right mouse click on the zip file. Now, this is if you're in a Windows machine. I don't know what you do if you're in a Mac or anything else, but in Windows you just right mouse click and you can extract the files. Now if you're in another machine, you should know how to do this, but I extracted the files over here. Okay, so we got the files here. Now what we need to do is go back to our dashboard here, and we're going to go to the Divi library, and we're going to click on this link right here, and now we're in the Divi library. As you can see, I've already downloaded those files, but all you do is you come here and you go to import the files. If you remember in video 2, I believe it was, we did this already. You go to import the files, and then you choose the file that you want to upload. I'm going to go to the Divi pop-ups here. And what I did was I uploaded the Divi 5 JSON file. Now, you can upload all of these with this one click right here if you want to, or you could just upload one at a time if you want to. But when you choose the file that you want, like I choose this one, you click on open, and it's going to open a file here, and you don't need to choose the import presets on this one, and just click import, and it's going to import the file. But as you can see, I've got it right here, so I'm not going to upload it again. So you go ahead and do that. You can do that with all the files or one at a time, whichever one you want to do. So from there, you want to go to your thank you page. Now, if you've uploaded these templates from the Google Doc that I provided to you, like I said before, if you haven't downloaded them yet, the link to the Google Doc, which has the assets here, which has the funnel pages, is linked in the description below. But coming back to the thank you page, if you downloaded this from the link, then you already have this pop-up 5 that I already installed on this page for you. Like I said, this is plug and play. I want this to be as simple as possible. So if you click here, edit with Divi, you can see the pop-up is right here. Now it's in a fixed position, so it doesn't matter where you go up and down. It's right there, okay? And everything I have is right here. If you want to change what's in the wording right here, like this one right here, it says wait, right? You could just click on the asterisk right here, and it'll come right here, and you can see where it says wait. You can change that to whatever you want. Again, if you want to change this part right here that says get 40% off, you could change that. Just click on the star right there, and right there it says get 40% off. All you have to do is change that to whatever you want, okay? Now, the reason why this looks like this is because it is disabled in desktop, mobile, and tablet. So if you click on this star right here and you go to advanced, and then you go to visibility, you can see I've got them checked. Phone, tablet, desktop. If I uncheck it, you're going to see that it shows up as a pop-up, right? And you can click on it. You can go to wherever you want to go. But we don't want that, because we want them to get to a certain point before they actually see this pop-up. And that certain point is when they come down here and they say, no, thank you. I do not want thee to be a successful marketer. Now, when they click on that, this has an interaction connected to it right here And if I click on an interaction, you can see on the click, it shows the element, which is this pop-up, and it's going to show the pop-up. Okay? Now you don't have to do anything. I'm just showing you this so you understand how it works. So now in this button right here, if you click on this button and you come over here to content, you're going to see there's a link. Okay. Now what you want to put here in this URL is you want to put this downsell page, right? This is where they're going to get the discount. So if you come here, you highlight the URL, you right mouse click on it, and you copy the URL. Then you go back to the thank you page here, and right here you just paste in the URL, save it, X out of it, and now it's live. So if we exit the page, they come down here. No, thank you, I don't want this. Now they're going to see the pop-up. Oh yeah, I want the discount. And they're going to go to the page and they're going to unlock it for $17. Okay, this is going to go to your payment processor. We'll get to that in another video. So now also remember, we have a pop-up here, right here. So when they click on this button, remember, this is going to pop up. So in this funnel, we actually got 2 pop-ups that I created for you. Like I said, I'm trying to make this simple so you don't have to worry about all the technical stuff. Okay, so that's the end of this video. Now you should have the pages, you should have the lead magnet, you should have the pop-ups that go to the pages, the different pages, the lead magnet and everything. And if this training has been helpful to you and you like what you're watching and you haven't done so already, please go down there, subscribe to the channel, and ting the icon bell so you're notified every time that I come out with a new tutorial like this. And be sure to like this video and share this with anybody that you think might get any value out of it. I'll see you in the next video. And by the way, if there's anything that you don't understand, just leave them in the comments below. Thanks again for watching.